We are continuing our journey understanding the wheel. The directions and their guides. There are many medicine wheels from different cultures and geographical locations. There are differences, but you will find a consistency in the directions no matter who you are and where you will be working your wheel from. These will remain consistent. Because we are specifically working the wheel from the canine point of view, you will find some differences in interpretation from other wheels along your journey. There will be explanations to help these make sense to you. They will be spoken as fact from the canine perspective. The wheel is made up of 7 points. The centre, the 4 main directions of the compass, east, south, west, and north, and the final 2 directions, below and above. As you are reading this, you may be thinking, I have written them in an awkward sequence. There is good reason for this, as you will discover. These are the orders in which we will be working and studying each of them. I will now introduce you to each of the directions and their corresponding canine spirit guides, who will provide us with their wisdoms, teaching and learning along our way. Direction, centre. When we face the centre, we are looking within to the soul. Everything the being contains at this present moment of the journey of its life. It includes both the light and the dark. All that has been held onto from what was, and all that is possible from what is. It is from this perspective that we can look to the other directions for their wisdoms to discover what we need to focus on and add to the wellness of the being. Guide from the centre. The being you are working the wheel for sits in the centre as your guide. It is the soul's well-being that will provide the guidance. In the canine wheel, you will place the dog in the centre. On this journey of the medicine wheel, you and your dog will be sharing this place together so that you can work side by side and gain a full understanding from the canine perspective. Direction, east. The sun rises in the east and brings the morning light to the world. Just before her light breaks the horizon, the air temperature drops to the coldest of the night, opening a door, drawing away the woes of the day before, passing them through to the other realm. As she rises, she brings new warmth to the air, along with inspiration and hope for the day yet to come. Eastern Guide. Our canine spirit guide of the East comes in the form of Yellow Dog, sharing wisdoms of inspiration, learning, and communication. She says, I will help you understand the mind of your dog. Direction, south. The sun bears down on the earth. The force of her fires reach us in the rays of her light. For us here in the northern hemisphere, the greatest of her heat comes from the south, from where she sends the powers of her flames to warm our days. Within her heat, we find ourselves empowered by drive and passion. Southern Guide. Our canine spirit guide of the South comes in the form of Red Dog, sharing wisdoms on drive, adventure, and reaching for potential. He says, I will help you understand what ignites your dog. Direction, west. For us, with the Atlantic to the west, we find our greatest body of water, the essence of our heart, in which the waves of our emotions flow. It is where the sun sets and we reflect on the hours past, reaping the benefits of our investments, where we admire and consume our harvests of the day. Western Guide. Our canine spirit guide of the West comes in the form of Blue Dog, sharing wisdoms of peace, calm, and enjoyment. She says, I will help you understand the heart of your dog. Direction, north. We in the UK find vast mountain ranges and open lands in the region of Scotland to the north of our Isles, holding an abundance of earth. In winter, animals hibernate beneath the ground. Seeds hide beneath the soil, waiting for the warmth to arrive. Nights lengthen and temperatures drop. We find warmth by the hearth, wrapped in cosy blankets. We conserve energies and turn ourselves inwards to take time and to rest. Northern Guide. Our canine spirit guide of the north comes in the form of Black Dog, sharing wisdoms of physical abundance and its limitations. He says, I will help you understand the body of your dog. Direction, below. When we look below, we are looking to honour those who have gone before, our ancestors, predecessors, and those who have transitioned within our lifespan, whose physical beings have returned to nourish the earth, their spirits returned to the soul's source. Guide from below. Our canine spirit guide from below comes in the form of Grey Wolf. She comes to share wisdoms, memories of life's adventures. She says, I am here to remind you to make the most for the life of your dog. Direction, above. When we face above, we are looking to all those who have yet to come. When our first dog's soul burst forth from Sirius, they laid a trail of light leading to our hearts. Here they placed themselves and made space for all those who would follow. Guide from above. Our canine spirit guide from above comes in the form of White Wolf. He comes to share the wisdoms of spirit's true potential. He says, I am here to remind you that we will find you to experience all that is possible. And with this sharing of wisdom, our wheel takes a turn.